To AutoZone. I had a warranty on the last battery. I got a new battery for free because of the warranty that I bought like 3 years ago. The warranty was gonna expire 8 December, so it's right around time. Thank God the battery went bad before that date. Now I'm gonna clean these terminals real quick. The GoPro got cut off when I was recording, when I put the battery in. What I was saying was, remember to put the red side on. Don't remove the cap until you put the battery in, so that way you remember the red side with the red side and the black side with the black side. I'm gonna put some of this grease in these terminals, and that's it. We'll start connecting and plugging everything back up. There's not really a method to apply these things, so go crazy, but don't put too much now. That's not good. The red side or positive side first, and then the negative side last, right? Positive first, negative last. Now you can remove this little cap off. Now that you know, just make sure it's all the way down. Wiggle, wiggle, push it down. Wiggle, wiggle, push it down. There you go. Again, with the 10mm socket, you're gonna secure this thing in place. Turn on the car, make sure it turns on, and if it turns on, you're good to go. And if it doesn't, the problem is not the battery, the problem is something else. And that's it. The problem was the battery. We changed the battery when I put everything back together. We should be good.